Nanjengoko iEskom ijongene nalombhodamo usekela mongameli weANC umnumzana David Mabuza usikhusele isigqibo sokutyumba uAndre Ruyter njengomlawuli oyintloko. Umile kwelokuba esisigqibo asithathwanga ngumongameli Cyril Ramaphosa kuphela. OkaMabuza ebethetha kwingqungquthela ye-SABC eqhutywa eKempton Park eRhawutini ukwacele uxolo kubemi boMzants'Afrika ngale ngxaki yocimicimi wombane.
Ingqungquthela ye-SACP ke nayo ayizange zisinde ekuhambeni kukagesi. Kanti njengoba ke izwi lakuleli libhekene nohlelo lokunqunywa kagesi ngenhloso yokonga. Iqembu elibusayo ke lixolisile kubantu bakuleli ngezinkinga esibhekene neEskom.
We are mindful of the challenges that are faced by Eskom. And probably we should take this opportunity and apologize to the public for all the inconvenience that our people, business people, are going through because of the challenges in Eskom.
Mabuza ke nokho usifikelile isinqumo sokuqokwa kaAndre Ruyter njengenhloko yakwa-Eskom.
People are now quiet. The only person that is being blamed is the president. The decision to deploy Ruyter as the CEO is the decision that we took collectively.
Uvumile ke nokho ukuthi izinkampani zikahulumeni sengcupheni yokuwa kanti uthi ke kumele kuthathwe izinyathelo ngokusheshsha. Kodwa ke ikhosathu ihlabe ihlikiza imbono ukuthi ke idayiswe iEskom. Kanti kunxusa ukuthi ke kube nobumbano kumfela ndawonye kuze kubhekwane nezinkinga esibhekene nomnotho wakuleli kanjalo nezinkampani zikahulumeni. Ngimanqoba mchunu wasindaba zeSABC eGoli.